Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Walmart over here in the fashion department to see if they have any new items today. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned.
Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future.
Okay, these dresses are so cute by Sofia Vergara and they are brand new. Oh yes, they are $26. They have this beautiful red and pink and they also have it in the black. It comes with a belt. Really pretty. A sweet little dress, and like I said, it comes in black. Okay. This beautiful dress is by Time and True, and it is $17.98. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's made out of like that t-shirt material. $17.98. It has a belt and it is short. Okay, so I see this one is a small, which is a 4-6, up to a 22, which is a 3X. So they have the pink, the tan, the gray and white with a speckle of black, and they also have it in solid black. Yeah, these are really cute. Only $17.98. New sweaters here by Time and True. Oh my goodness, look at this green. How beautiful is this? Is that not beautiful, guys? It looks so expensive. So let's see. It is $17.98 and I love it, guys. Oh my goodness. So it comes in this mint green. It comes in that purple pink. This design right here. Another Time and True sweater for $16.98. Nice. It has the split on the side to give you a little more room. And they also have these patterns here. The blue and white and this light purple. Yes, this blue green. Beautiful. Oh, look at this one. This one is by Time and True and it has like the blue jean layer effect to it for $19.98. Okay, I like that. Ooh, look at that teal dress, guys. How beautiful. So this one is by Scoop. And this one is called the Women's Sheer Polo Dress. And it is $45. It has a medium weight to it. It is not flimsy at all. Even though it has this sheer effect to it, it is not flimsy. Yes, it's really nice. New tops by Tara and Sky on this wall. And on this wall with Tara and Sky shirts, guys, they have jeans on one side of the shirts. And then they have the legging jeans on the opposite side. So just so beautiful. This black one, oh my goodness. The arms are sheer and it has a layering piece on the body part. And these tops are $14.98. Yes, really nice. It is a true black. So it comes in that black, and this pink, and this mixed color here with blue, green, and black. And then they have this style right here. It is sheer, but the style is different. Yes. Beautiful. And this one is $14.98. So they have this pattern, and they with the shirt underneath. And then they have this blue one. These shirts will pair really well, guys, with these jeans and the leggings. So the leggings over here on this wall, guys, all of the leggings are $17.98. They have different washes in the blue and the black. And then they have these jeans right here that's on the shelf, and these jeans are $22.98 by Tara and Sky. Yes, so we have a good variety. This one is the skinny. They have petite. Yeah, and they have different colors. $22.98. Nice tops here by Terra and Sky. Oh my goodness, this green is absolutely beautiful. Yes. So this one is $16.98. It has the hood. Yes, it has the drawstring for the hood right here, and it also has the open front pocket. I like that it's not, it comes down straight on the side, so it gives you, really good room. And this size here is a 3X. Yes. Alrighty guys, these pants are by No Boundaries. The blue ones, these are the high-rise parachute pants, and they're $13.98. Okay. I only see this one in the light blue. And then they have these right here, which are the carpenter jeans for $14.98, only in black. You have back pockets, side pockets, and front pockets. And these are wide legs here, guys. Okay. These jumpsuits are by No Boundaries. Really nice. They are $19.98, so they have two front pockets, a nice long zipper, and it comes with a belt. And these come down a little bit flare at the leg. Just a little flare. Okay. On that wall, guys, all those beautiful pullovers and the jogging pants to match. Oh, so pretty. So let's just take a peek at a couple of them. This one with Mickey on it, it is $16.98. The bottoms are $14.98. Yes. Really nice. Some of the joggers, guys, have the elastic at the ankle, and some of them have their wide leg at the ankle, like these right here. And these are $16.98. Okay. Yeah, this Barbie t-shirt is $8.98. This Barbie t-shirt is $8.98 as well. Okay, this is a nice short cardigan sweater here, guys. This one is by No Boundaries, $18.98. Okay, and this is a no collar cardigan sweater. Okay. More sweaters by No Boundaries. Oh yes, front pockets on this one, and this one comes with a hood for $18.98. And now this sweater comes in that beautiful brown, cream, ooh, this beautiful green. It's like a minty green and black. This sleeveless jumpsuit here is by Madden NYC, and it is $23. It has front pockets, midway zipper, pockets in the front down there, and back pockets. It also comes with an elastic waist. Oh yeah, $23. These two pieces are by Celebrity Pink. Absolutely love that cardigan, and those cargo pants are just too cute. So the sweater is $19.98. The cargo pants, oh yes, have the drawstring at the ankle, nice front pockets. This one has the belt loops, so it comes in this pale pink and that beautiful green. Oh, and I see this one up to a 3X, which is a 21. Dresses are by Planet Gold, and they are $14.98. It comes in this beautiful black and that beautiful pink. Yeah, that is really cute, really stretchy too. Oh yes. These crop leather jackets are new, and they are by Planet Gold as well. They are $18.98. Oh yes, this is really cute, really soft and stretchy. That's cute. It has one button in the front. Very clean and sleek. I like that. Celebrity Pink jumpsuits right here, guys. These are really nice. They're $27.50. They're called the Slim Boiler Suit. So yes, they have top pockets, buttons down the middle. Ooh, deep pockets in the front. Belt loops and back pockets. Light blue jean. That's pretty. Oh yeah. These two pieces are by Celebrity Pink as well. Light wash and the dark wash or medium wash, and they are $24.50. They're called the Boyfriend Overall. Yes, so yes, this is a small pocket. This one is a little bit bigger. This one is usable. It has the opening. It has the distressing right there, the cuffs, and back pockets. Oh, okay. Yeah, by Celebrity Pink for $24.50. Look at this little set here, guys, by Celebrity Pink. Shorts are called the Ultra High Rise Shorts for $13.50, and the oversized top is $24.50. This is cute. Okay. Young ladies out there that love this outfit, it is really cute. Okay. More matching outfits on this wall here, guys. Compton Cowboys. It has a print on the back. Okay. Same thing on the back, just in a different color. This top is $14.98, and the bottoms are $14.98 as well. So the front is gray and the back is black as well as the top. Nice t-shirts here, Compton Cowboys. And they are $9.98. Yes. These cute t-shirts over here, guys, they are $8.98. Misfits in Love. And we also have these over here. The one on the left says Be Mine, and the one on the right says If I Had Feelings, They'd Be For You. Alrighty then. These cute little bodysuits are by Celebrity Pink. They're called the Flutter Sleeve Bodysuit, and they're $13.50. This jacket comes in pink and it comes in this blue, and it has the fray in at the bottom for $19.98. Yes, by No Boundaries. Nice. Alrighty, guys, that is it here today at Walmart over here in the women's department. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.
Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future, fearlessly charging for